Today, I will teach you how to enter the details and pictures of pets into a table. I have currently created HTML codes as we learned in the previous lesson. I created the head and gave the title as pet details. Now here, I open a new tag called style in the 6th line below the head tag. If CSS codes are applied inside the HTML file, we use this style tag. Now inside this style tag, let's prepare the CSS code to make our page beautiful. Now I put the cursor in front of the style close tag and enter and take the close tag to the 7th line. Now again go to the style tag in the 6th line and enter and open the body curly brackets in the 7th line. After entering in the middle of the curly brackets, I come to the 8th row. Now let's type the CSS code needed to change the font type, font size and background color of this body part. In this line, I type as font-family Tahoma semicolon and enter next to the semicolon and go to the 9th line. I type as font-weight 100 semicolon in the 9th line and enter to the next semicolon and go to the 10th line. Then put as background #B1 F7 F8 semicolon. Now we have finished making the body part of the page. It is with the closing brackets in the 11th line that we inform that this body part is finished. Now enter next to this curly brackets and type as table in the 12th line and open the curly brackets. After entering next to these curly brackets, I go to the 13th line. In this part, let's make the color of the table we are going to make, the size and the color of the margin and border, the width of the cell of the table and the place where the letters will be placed. I put as background linear gradient within brackets red, yellow, pink, semicolon. I use the color in the table as a mixture of these 3 colors. Now let's enter next to this semicolon and go to the 14th line. I type as margin 50px auto semicolon in this line and enter again next to this semicolon and go to the line 15 and type as color #693C72 semicolon. Now enter again next to this semicolon and go to the 16th line. And it is typed as border 1px solid black semicolon in this line and enter next to this semicolon to go to the 17th line and type as width 80% semicolon. Now let's enter next to this semicolon and go to line 18. It is typed as text-align center semicolon, typing in this line. Now the changes in the body section near the bracket in the 19th row are over.